Alright, so here's the 1958 carrier installed. I know a few people have been requesting this, so yeah, here you go. Start it up. Already starting to blow hot. And blowing cold too. Alright, so this has been running for quite a few minutes now, and it's... Look at that. I can already feel it lowering the humidity in here. This is even with the central air on. It's set to like... It's like 73. No, the other part's downstairs. Look at that. Of course, it's going to be, yeah, 72. But still, I mean, that is crazy. Look at that. That is frigid. Wow, is that cold. Look at that. Lines, they're sweating. You kind of see them. I don't have the flash on, unfortunately. I forgot to turn it on. I'm not really going to redo this video, so we'll just have to go with this. So, but yeah. Ah, come on. Look at that. It's crazy. Yep, this unit definitely don't mess around. Even though it's apparently rated for, what was it, 4,500 BTUs. I honestly feel like it's capable of doing even more. But... Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. And once all the refrigerant equalizes, I guess I'll do a startup from the inside. Wow, is that cold. Man, is that sweaty too. Wow, look at that. Alright, so here's a quick startup from the inside. Love the sound of the Tecumseh pancake in it. It sounds really nice when it starts up. Yeah, not bad for being, what, 62 years old? Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching.